Hi, friend! Today we are at the farm. Can you say farm with me? Farm! A farm is a place where land is used to raise animals and grow plants. Someone who works on a farm is called a farmer. Farmers wake up early in the morning to plant and grow foods like carrots, lettuce, peas, apples, and oranges and berries. All of the food that ends up on your plate was grown at a farm. How cool is that? Farmers also take care of lots of animals. Can you guess what this farm animal is? Here's a hint. They can be brown, white, black, and some come with spots. They eat grass and make milk for us to drink. And when they're around, you're sure to hear moo! That's right, it's a cow. Great job. Let's say cow together. Cow. Good work. Can we moo like cows together? Moo! You sound just like a cow. Cows eat a lot of grass. They need a big space where they can spread out with their friends and eat lots of food. Lots and lots of food. Cows spend an average of 8 hours of their day eating. One cow can eat 40 pounds of food in a day. All of that food helps cows make milk for their babies and for us. Ice cream, milk, yogurt, and cheese all come from cow's milk. Our next farm animal loves to eat grass too. They're white and fluffy and make a ba sound. Can you guess what they are? Sheep! You're right. Let's sound out sheep together. Sheep. Can you sound like a sheep? Ba. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Aww. Look how much fluff sheep have. They grow thick, fluffy fur to help keep themselves warm. Farmers help sheep stay cool by shearing their fur. We use this fur to make clothes and blankets and towels. Sheep help keep us cozy and warm. Thank you, sheep. What's that sound? Can you guess what it is? It's a chicken. Let's sound like chickens together. Wait, now what is that noise? Oh, it's a rooster. A rooster is a boy chicken, and they make different noises from the girl chickens called hens. Can you hear the difference? Hens lay eggs. Some of these eggs become baby chickens, called chicks. And some eggs become food for us, like a breakfast of scrambled eggs with toast. I know that sound. Do you? I'll give you a hint. They are smaller than cows and bigger than chickens. They love to leap, jump, and play with each other. Goats. Goats are excellent climbers. They even climb mountains. When a goat is born, it can walk right away. And soon baby goats are leaping and jumping around. A baby goat is called a kid. Goat kids love to snuggle with their parents, just like we do. They are very smart animals and can be taught their name. This next farm animal spends the day rolling around in the mud and eating just about whatever it can find. Do you know what animal it is? It's a pig. Pig. Let's pretend we're pigs together. Oink, oink. Pigs are very social animals, which means they have lots of friends and hate to be alone. Pigs are also very smart animals, even smarter than some dogs. Sorry, Bingo. Pigs roll in mud to keep themselves cool and protect their skin from sunlight. A pig does not have good eyesight, but they do have an excellent sense of smell, which helps them sense the world around them. A pig uses its nose, called a snout, to help them find food on the ground. Pigs are all different sizes. Some even grow over 700 pounds. That's bigger than a piano. It's night on the farm. Let's say goodnight to the animals. Good night, pig. Good night, cow. Good night, chicken. Good night, rooster. Good night, goat. It was so fun playing on the farm with you today.